A young girl had a little bird called Blondie, who brought joy to her life. Blondie was no ordinary bird. She had a unique habit of mimicking the sounds around her. Even when the girl placed a bottle cap on the table, Blondie would perfectly imitate the noise. Every morning, her cheerful chirping was the perfect way to start the day. When she was little, Blondie was a lively and beautiful bird. Her bright orange feathers shone in the sunlight, and she loved flying to high places. But everything changed when she turned 1 year old. Blondie started losing her feathers, first on her legs, then on her head, and eventually on her wings. The girl was sad and confused, and she looked for help, but there wasn't much that could be done. So, with love and determination, she started researching on her own to understand what was happening to her beloved bird. She found out that Blondie needed special care for her condition. But it wasn't just Blondie's body that changed. Her personality did too. She was no longer the happy bird she used to be. She stopped singing, lost interest in her favorite activities, and looked deeply sad. The girl was heartbroken seeing her little friend like this, but she refused to give up. She stayed by her side, encouraging her to stay active even though she couldn't fly, and taught her how to walk, run, and explore the world in new ways. Then one day, something amazing happened. Blondie started singing again. The girl was pretty happy about it. Her voice, which she'd thought she'd lost, was back, and it made her happy. It made her realize that Blondie was getting better in every way. Now Blondie is a happy, energetic bird again. She loves exploring strange places, like hopping into an open microwave. Of course, when it's off. Playing with doors and boxes, and even watching the girl's mother cook. The girl realized that Blondie was more than just a pet. She was a friend, a teacher, and a source of happiness. Her presence taught the girl the value of patience, sincerity, and unconditional love. And even though Blondie once lost her feathers, she never lost her place in the girl's heart. So adorable, right? If you agree, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with friends, and leave a comment below. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!